In today's video, I am going to teach you how to speed up any internet connection on Windows 11 or 10 PC. We will focus on 3 proven tweaks that can cut down delays and make your connection feel snappier. Using a faster DNS, updating your network driver, and tuning your adapter's power and performance settings. Follow along on a Windows 10 or 11 PC. First, let's switch to a faster DNS. DNS is like the phone book of the internet. Faster lookups mean websites start loading sooner. Press the Windows key and R together to open Run. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter to open your network connections. Right-click your active connection Wi-Fi or Ethernet and select Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4, also labeled TCP or IPv4. Use the following DNS server addresses. Now enter your preferred and alternate DNS. For Cloudflare, use 1.1.1.1 as preferred, and 1.0.0.1 as alternate. If you prefer Google, use 8.8.8.8 as preferred and 8.8.8.4 as alternate. Click OK to apply. Then OK again to close the Properties window. Your browsing should feel more responsive right away. Next, let's update your network driver. Outdated drivers can quietly cap your throughput or cause random slowdowns. Right-click the Start button and choose Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters, then right-click your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter and select Update Driver. Let Windows check for a newer version and apply it. If an update installs, give it a moment to finish and reconnect. Even if nothing changes, you've confirmed you are on the latest driver, which removes a common bottleneck. Finally, fine-tune your adapter's power and performance. Windows sometimes prioritizes battery life or power savings over speed, which can throttle your connection. In Device Manager, right-click your network adapter again and choose Properties. On the Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This prevents sleep-related slowdowns and drops. Then go to the Advanced tab. Look for preferred band and set it to 5 GHz for higher throughput and lower interference. Assuming your router and adapter support it. If you don't see this option, that's okay, some adapters handle it automatically. Next, find roaming aggressiveness and set it to the lowest setting to keep your connection stable and avoid unnecessary switching between access points. Click OK to save. That's it. Thanks for watching.